In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom sign-up form in Wix. Whether you're a business owner or a website designer, creating a custom sign-up form is a great way to gather the information you need from your website visitors easily. Let's start by heading to wix.com in your preferred browser. Once you're there, locate the login button, click on it, and enter your credentials to access your account. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to open the Wix editor. Navigate to My Sites, and there you'll see a list of all your sites. Select the site you wish to customize by clicking on it. Afterwards, locate the Edit Site button and click to open the Wix editor where all the magic happens. With the editor now open, it's time to add a new form to your site. Look to the left-hand toolbar and find the Add a Plus button. Click on it. A menu will appear. Here you'll select Contact and Forms and then Choose Forms. At this point, you'll have a choice to make. You can either select a blank form or opt for a pre-designed sign-up form template. Once you've made your choice, simply drag the form onto your web page to position it where it best fits. The next step is customizing your form's fields. Click directly on your form to open its settings menu. Here, you have the flexibility to add new fields that suit your unique needs. Consider adding fields such as name, email address, password if it's for a membership sign-up, and even a phone number. Additionally, if you have specific questions to ask, you can incorporate drop-downs, checkboxes, or radio buttons. Don't forget to remove any default fields that aren't necessary for your form. Once your fields are set, you'll want to configure what happens when someone submits the form. Click on Settings and then move to Submit Actions. You have several options. Post-submission, you can send email notifications to you or your team, redirect users to a thank you page, collect submissions in Wix contacts, or even integrate with Wix automations for tasks like sending welcome emails or other CRM actions. Now, it's time to design your form to ensure it aligns with your website's theme. Click on Design and adjust the colors and fonts, modify the button style, and choose the right background and borders for your form. With all these customizations complete, don't forget to save your work. Click on Save to make sure your changes are applied. It's always good practice to preview your page to make sure everything functions correctly and looks exactly how you want it to. Once satisfied, click Publish so your custom sign-up form goes live and starts gathering valuable information. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you have created a custom sign-up form in Wix. I hope this guide was helpful and has you feeling more confident in building your website.